pinakamahirap na bahagi ng preparation sa pageant?
The mindset. Preparing yourself that you have to make sure that your head's strong and your heart's strong. Kasi you're gonna be with, like in my case, for Miss Universe, 122 kami.
Oo.
And these are some of the most beautiful women on planet Earth. So you have to make sure that you have a strong support system and your mindset is lalaban ka talaga kasi you're gonna compare yourself to other people.
So, dapat hindi insecure.
Mahirap talaga.
At madaling ma-insecure.
It's easy. It's easy to compare yourself.
So, anong iniisip mo kapag ganun?
That their story is different from mine and wherever they are in life is different from where I am. And yun lang.
So, aside from that mindset, ano yung physically mahirap?
The
Mahirap ba
waking
maglakad?
up. No, it's the waking up in the morning.
Talaga?
Kasi minsan matutulog ka, matatapos event nyo, hating gabi, tas kailangan mong magising ng, halimbawa, alas 4 kasi call time mo, alas 6, kasi mag-aayos ka pa eh. So yun yung mahirap. Kailangan mong gumising, tapos magpapaganda ka, tapos dapat, ready ka ulit to fight. Yun yung pinakamahirap.
Yung iba't ibang segments ng isang beauty pageant, so may swimsuit competition, may evening gown, may question and answer, meron yung introduction. So doon sa mga competitions na yan, alin ang pinaka-nerve-wracking at mahirap?
Ako, yung introduction.
Hindi yung question and answer?
Dati, kakatakutan mo talaga yung Q&A.
Q&A?
Oo. Pero na-realize
Diyos
ko,
kami, ate, saan natatakot kami? Hindi naman kami yung sumasagot. Pero natatakot kami.
pero it's just a mindset shift. Kailangan mo lang, kasi ako, inisip ko lang na, okay, tatanungin lang naman nila ako. So dati, ganun talaga parang pinapractice na, okay, ganito yung kailangan mong sagot. Pero ngayon, I think people are just trying to get to know who you are. Yun lang yun.
Ang galing. Talagang na-imbibe mo lang talaga.
18 years na, Miss Cara. Talaga, pag hindi ko pa naman na-imbibe yun, ewan ko na lang.
Alam mo, Atisa, nung bago lang akong reporter, nag-aral ako mag-pageant.
Ay, totoo?
Oo.
Kailan?
Hindi, bago lang ako noon sa mga 1990 something.
May pictures ka?
Basta may video pa nga yun eh. Nag-aral ako kay Miss Abigail Arenas. Tapos ang hirap-hirap ng question and answer. Ang sabi sa akin, ewan ko kung totoo pa rin to pag tinanong ka daw, kailangan yung simula mo, very firm, may sagot ka kaagad. Kung yes or no ito, may stand ka kaagad. Tapos, meron kang konting pa-explanation na kailangan may baon kang parang mga quotation.
Yung para end strong.
Para yung dulo mo, parang may pa-quotation whatever ka na nakahanda. Tapos, ang sabi sa akin nung nagtuturo sa akin, wag daw masyadong animated yung mukha, tsaka galaw ng galaw yung kamay. So, sabi niya sa akin, ending ay, you are very intelligent but not very queenly.
Sabi naman yun. Sorry po.
Sorry po, kasi ang dami ko daw sinasabi. So yung sagot mo doon sa Miss Universe noon, talagang that's how you felt nung time na yun. Ito yung, wow.
But that's not to say that I didn't train.
Oo.
I'm trained also to make sure that in the moment, I answer based on what I feel and what I think. And that's very hard. Kasi pag kinabahan ka na, sometimes merong mga hindi nakakaimik.
Oo.
Sometimes merong kung ano na lang maisip mo, yun na lang sasabihin mo. So you also train for it.
Yung mga lakad-lakad, tinrain nyo rin yun.
Yes.
Hindi ba mahirap
Lahat.
yun?
Mahirap kasi lagi kang naka-heels, tas ang taas. Tapos, ako, sumasakit na yung likod ko, 28 na ako. Nagsisimula na sumakit yung likod at binti ko. Not katulad nung bata ako, na kahit maghapon ako naka-heels, okay lang. Ngayon, kailangan ko na magpahinga. So, mahirap. Physically demanding.